Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set Google as default home on Microsoft Edge in Windows 11 or 10 PC. By default, when you press this one home button in Edge browser, it automatically opens a new blank tab on your Edge browser. In case you want to set it to Google, click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Under Edge settings select this one start home and new tabs. On the right sidebar under home button select this one second option. Here type google.com or https://google.com and then click on this one save button. Now open a new tab to test this one home button and press this one home button. It will load google.com on your Edge browser.